Learn English, getting to know each other. Characters, Allie and Sarah.
Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name? My name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Ali. Nice to meet you, Sarah. My name is Ali. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Allie. Where are you from? Nice to meet you too, Allie. Where are you from?
I am from Egypt. And you? I am from Egypt. And you?
I am from Canada. Do you live here? I am from Canada. Do you live here?
Yes, I live here. Do you live here too? Yes, I live here. Do you live here too?
No, I am visiting for a vacation. No, I am visiting for a vacation.
Oh, that's nice. How long will you stay? Oh, that's nice. How long will you stay?
I will stay for 2 weeks. I will stay for 2 weeks.
I hope you enjoy your time here. I hope you enjoy your time here.
Thank you, Allie. It was nice talking to you. Thank you, Allie. It was nice talking to you.
You're welcome, Sarah. Have a great day. You're welcome, Sarah. Have a great day.